So now we're looking at ordering decimals. How do we get them into the right order? So this question says, you'll find a text of that you can see, write the list of numbers in ascending order. Now A means ascending, it starts, make this straight, at the beginning of the alphabet, so it's the smallest, because that's the smallest number, to the biggest. Now, let's look at the numbers. We've got 5.74, 5.7, 5.47, 5.04, 5.4, and 5.407. Oh my goodness. Now, this is what you do. Write them all down, one underneath each other. So, 5.74, and put the decimal point at the same spot, okay? 7, 5.47, 5.04, 5.4, and 5.407. Okay, so the next thing you do is you say, right, which number has got the most digits? This one has the most decimal places, okay, because it's after the decimal, it has 3. So in order to compare, we have to make them all the same. So they each have to have 3 decimal places. So then over here, we've got 2 decimal places, we add a 0. Over here, we add 2 zeros. Over here, we add 1 0, we add 1 0, we add 2 zeros. Now these are trailing zeros, okay? They don't change the number at all, but they allow us to look at the numbers so that they can all look like they're equal. The whole number starts with 5, so we have to look at these to see which is the smallest, because we're starting from ascending and then moving up to the biggest. For instance, this number here, that's a placeholder. That's very important that it stays there, but these numbers are trailing zeros. Okay, so they're just there for the purpose of understanding this today. So if we have a look and we go, right, we've got 740, 700, 470, 40 really, then we've got 400 and 407, because we're just looking at those last numbers. So which one is the smallest? Well, I would say that this one would be the smallest, okay, and then we go on to... which one is the next one? We've got 400, 407. I would say that one. And then we go to that one. And then we go to that one, yes, 4. And then that one will be 5. And then that one will be 6. But now it tells you to write them in ascending order. So you actually have to say in ascending order. So 1, you've got 5 point. And remember, it was just 04. So we just write 04. Then 2, we started with 5.4, so we write 5.4, so we always write them in their original. 3 was exactly as it is, 5.407. 4 was 5.47. And then 6 was 5.74. And then that'll be your answer. So remember what to do, very important, write them down, fill in your zeros, make them all exactly the same amount after the decimal, and then compare them. All right? Have a go for it, please.